गाइस वेलकम बैक। दिस इज सौम्य संस्कृति बैक अगेन। एंड गाइस ऑफ कोर्स आपको टाइटल से तो पता ही चल गया होगा दैट ये वीडियो है क्रेजी डील्स फ्रॉम अमेजन के लिए। एंड ऑफ कोर्स आज की जो डील्स हैं वो है विमेंस विंटर वेयर डील्स। सो और कुछ न्यू लॉन्चेस भी हैं। सो गाइस आगे आपको एक वीडियो क्लिपिंग दिखेगी, उसको देखिए। उसको सारे डील्स मैंने शेयर किए हैं। बहुत सारे डील्स हैं विमेंस फिटवेयर के, अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, उसमें अलग डील्स हैं। ऑफकोर्स मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कुछ वेरिएंट्स पे प्राइस डिफरेंस हो सकता है बिकॉज ऑफ कलर एंड बिकॉज ऑफ साइज। सो गाइस जैसे आप डील पे टैप करेंगे आप रिडायरेक्ट हो जाएंगे उस प्रोडक्ट पे। सो डू चेक एंड ऑफकोर्स गाइस उस सारी जितनी भी डील्स हैं उनकी लिंक्स नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में होंगी। सो प्लीज़ डू चेक। एंड अगर ये वीडियो आप फेसबुक पे ही देख रहे हैं तो ऑफकोर्स आपको पोस्ट में देखने को मिल जाएंगे। This is Soumya Sanskriti from Crazy Deals from Amazon. And of course, guys, as I told you, the deals for women's winter wear. So let's begin. And the new launches. So let's check this one. So guys, as you can see, there's still some discount, but the price has been changed. But yeah, there is some discount. There can be a price difference among different sizes or colors. So you can check the information here, right? All the information, pictures, right? Right. So you can also check the different similar products, and of course more things. So let's go back. There's instructions, and you can also check there can be two more sellers or a single seller. So but the main thing is there is some discount, so we are saving rupees 1578, right? The price has been updated since I have posted this deal yesterday, so there can be some difference uh, in these deals, or there can be increase in price discount, there can be price decrease, or there can be no discount. There are some limited edition deals. So let's now check this one. So okay, there is no discount, this is a new launch. Let's check any other size. Okay, the other size is not available, but this one is. You can check the images and similar products. Here it is, right? So let's go back. Okay, let's check this one. Miss Olive women's sweatshirt. Okay, you're saving 1400 rupees. I think this is a great deal. The product was worth rupees 1999, but now you're getting it for rupees 599. There's a huge discount. And let's check uh, on any other size. Okay, so there's almost the same. There might be some difference, as I have told you. Okay, so you can check in here, right? So check the information, different products, similar products, right? Some more details and different things. So let's go back, right? The price is updated still. Okay, so another product, Miss Olive women's sweatshirt. Okay, again you're saving 1450. I think it's a very good deal, so do uh, check it out, guys. This is for size L. Let's check for sizes S. Again the same. Let's go back. Okay, now this is from Ellen Solis women's car coat. Let's check this one. Okay, again you're saving 1099. The deal is still on, so let's check the pictures. It's looking very nice, right? You can zoom it out, right? So again sometimes you get recommendations. Again the deal price is updated, so not to worry. Another product. Okay, this deal is not available now, right? So let's check this one. Okay, you're saving rupees 360 on this product. It was worth rupees 1799, but you're getting this for 1439. And let's check the pictures. Right. Again, let's check any other size for XL. Again, there is no price difference. The same deal, same discount. So let's go back. Okay. This is Zinc London Blue Solid Regular Jackets for women. This is worth rupees 3999, but you are getting this for 3199. That is, you're saving rupees 800 on this product. You can also check different offers or payment options. Let's check any other size. Okay, the same difference. Sorry, there's no difference. Right. Okay. So of course, information and more information about the product, similar products. So let's go back, and as you can see, the price is updated. Okay, these are from Park Avenue. So let's check this one. Park Avenue women medium red sweaters. This is for rupees 2999, but you're getting this for 1049. That is, you're saving 1950. I think that's a great deal. And let's check the pictures. All right, and the rest is same. The details of the product are down below, and you can also check different similar products. So let's go back. Okay. As you can see, the price is updated. Let's check this one. Okay, the MRP was 1499, but you're getting this for 524, so it's a very good discount. Do check it out, guys. Right. Okay, these are from Park Avenue. Now let's check Sugar Women's Jacket. I think it's in fresh, but yeah, we can still check it out. Yeah, as you can see, the other variant is not available. Right. Monte Carlo. Monte Carlo women's casual leather cardigan sweater was rupees 1405, but you are getting it for rupees 955. That is, you are saving 450 on this. That is 32% off on this product. And the best part is you're getting good branded products at a good discount, right? Now, and this is for XL size. Now let's check for L. See, as I told you, there can be price difference. So there is some difference. You are saving 442 on this, and the price is 963. Okay, let's go back. It was XL. Yeah, there's some difference. There can be some difference. So now let's check this one. Right. Okay. This might be also possible that there are some products जिन पे वो deals हैं and the other variants are not available. Right. These are some new launches. That's why the prices, there is only one price, right? There can be possibility that in products पे deal आ जाए. That's why. Okay, now let's take this one. Okay, this was worth rupees 2799, but you are getting it for 1679. That is, you're saving 1120 on this. So I think it's a very good and nice color. So this was for size L. Now let's for XL. Okay, there's no price difference and no discount difference, so it's the same. And also the it was updated, or there's some more discount on this. I think, yeah, there's some more discount on this product. That is, as I told you, deal price ऊपर भी हो सकती है और नीचे भी हो सकती है. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, this was worth rupees 3999, but you are getting it for 2399. That is, you are saving 1600 rupees. So let's check the pictures. All right. So it's a good catch, I think. Let's check for any other size. Okay, there's no difference. The price is same and the same discount. Another product from Tommy. This is a price range. Let's check for extra small. Okay, you are getting a discount of 1533, and let's check for any other variant. Yeah, there's some difference. You are saving 1529. So as I told you, there can be some difference among the variants and the sizes, right? So in the similar way I have posted many कुछ डील्स कुछ डेज पहले के हैं, कुछ डील्स अभी लेटेस्ट मैंने डाले हैं. So let's check the deals from a little before. So let's check this one. Okay, this was supposed to be 1595, but you are getting this for 1356. That is, you're saving 239 rupees. Okay, this is for small size. Now let's check any other. Okay, there's no difference in the discount and the price. So let's go back. As you can see, the deal is a bit old, but the discount and the price are same. There's no difference. So as I told you, कि कुछ डील्स बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए चलते हैं, कुछ डील्स बहुत ही लिमिटेड एडिशन के लिए होते हैं. तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि काफ़ी लॉन्ग टाइम पे आपको डिस्काउंटेड प्रोडक्ट मिल जाए, या डील प्राइस चेंज हो जाए, अप हो सकती है, डाउन हो सकती है. सो दैट माइट बी पॉसिबल. सो गाइज, जितनी भी लिंक्स हैं ऑफकोर्स आपको, अगर आप यूट्यूब पे देख रहे हैं तो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में देखने को मिल जाएंगे, और अगर आप इस पर देख रहे हैं ऑफकोर्स वीडियो पोस्ट में देखने को मिल जाएंगे. सो गाइज, दिस वॉज क्रेजी डील्स फ्रॉम अमेजन. आई होप यू लाइक द वुमेंस विंटर वेयर डील्स. थैंक यू. स्टे ट्यून्ड.
सो गाइज, आई होप आपने अभी जो क्लिपिंग देखी आपने बहुत सारे डील्स देखे होंगे. एंड ऑफकोर्स आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर ऑल्सो, अगर आपको कोई भी डील पसंद आए तो आप उस प्रोडक्ट पे टैप कर सकते हैं. अगर आप क्रेजी डील्स फ्रॉम अमेजन पेज को फॉलो करते हैं, अगर नहीं करते तो प्लीज़ डू फॉलो गाइज. ऑफकोर्स अगर आप ये वीडियो फेसबुक में देख रहे हैं तो ऑफकोर्स पोस्ट में मैं सारे लिंक्स मेंशन कर दूँगी. अगर आप यूट्यूब पे देख रहे हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में सारे लिंक्स हैं. सो प्लीज़ डू फॉलो क्रेजी डील्स फ्रॉम अमेजन, एंड प्लीज़ hit the like button, subscribe my channel, एंड इस छोटे से बेल आइकन को ज़रूर टैप करिए जिससे कि आपको आगे की वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. सो गाइज, इफ़ यू लाइक एनी ऑफ द रील्स डू टैप ऑन इट. सारे लिंक्स नीचे हैं, एंड आई होप यू लाइक द डील्स. एंड गाइज, as we know, still there is one kind of variant going on. अगर आप fully vaccinated नहीं हैं, so get the vaccines and get yourself fully vaccinated, and please put your mask on and do sanitize and keep your family healthy and yourself also. So guys, तब तक के लिए toodles.